In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove the music sticker from your Facebook story. Now let's open up our Facebook first. And here you can see I have no story right now, but I need to create one. Now let's just pick a random story. And here what you need to do is add your music. Choose the music you want.
You wanna know, ain't going on, not so
To this is the sticker as I was talking about.
rude.
And here you can just
Ain't going on, not so
and then sticker pops up.
sorry.
Now if you drag it in the trash can, your music will get deleted. Right. So what you can do is you can just either try to make your sticker so small that it gets noticed by people. Now it's so small, you can basically see it, right? The other way is you can just drag the sticker around and just place it out of the sticker is not in your story. The music is still in it, but the sticker is not. And you can just and then when the story gets uploaded, you can check it if it's the sticker is there or not. As you can see, my story is almost uploaded, and there should not be any stickers. Okay, it's taking some time. Also note that this is all, you can only remove this sticker from the story if you have not uploaded the story yet. If you have uploaded a story with the sticker on it, you need to remove the story and then upload it again so that the story is not there. As you can see, there is no sticker in my story. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified when we upload our new video. Also, don't forget to like our video and then stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Bye bye.